Hello guys, it's Cody. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to run Tampermonkey scripts or other user scripts on your iPhone or iPad. So we're gonna just need this users scripts extension, Safari extension, and we're gonna get it from App Store and search for user scripts and just add this. Okay. I'll set a directory. Okay, let me just scripts. I have one. Okay, let me just tap down. Let me just open the Files app, iCloud, Shortcuts, Scripts. You see, I have this return YouTube dislike user script. Okay, let me just open Safari. Let me go to YouTube. Oh, I didn't toggle on this user script extension. Let me just toggle on this one. Always allow on this website. Okay, tap down. Let me just refresh. You see the dislike count. Let me just try play another video. 26K. Okay, of course you probably you can see my another video about more user scripts. You can check my channel about other user scripts. There are this video I introduce a few Tampermonkey scripts. Now you can run it on your iPhone or iPad. Okay, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you find it helpful. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Battery power is running low. May I suggest